Suitable replacement for the following products: Dexron II, III and Dexron IIIH. Most versatile ATF. Use where Dexron III, Dexron II, Mercon and Mercon V fluids are recommended, provides a GL4 level of gear protection. Also used with manual transmissions and transaxles like T5, T45, T56 and late model BMW. Excellent cold weather operation. Extended drain intervals. D4 automatic transmission fluid is a fully synthetic product designed with superior low-temperature properties compared to a Dexron III fluid, and the improved shear stability requirements which is part of the Mercon V specifications. D4 automatic transmission fluid also provides a GL4 level of gear protection, making it a superior product for transmissions and transaxles. The balanced frictional characteristics provide smooth and consistent shifts for extended drain intervals. The superior stability compared to petroleum automatic transmission fluids allows high-temperature operation without varnishing valves and clutches, which leads to transmission failure. Top reviews from the United States. Better than Honda DW1. I always used Honda DW1 after Z1 was discontinued. And everyone said always use Honda transmission fluid. It's special formula for Honda transmission. I have a 2002 Honda Accord. 1998 to 2002 and beyond have lousy transmissions. Most failing at 150.000 miles. I tried Castrol Trans Max with no luck. Especially first shift into second. Or a bump when slowing down and a quick acceleration. It shifts better with the fluid at the bottom of the dipstick hex mark. Redline improved the shifting. Better performance than Honda DW1. Granted, the transmission is lousy to begin with, but every bit helps. I will continue to use Redline and not be handcuffed by the must-use Honda transmission fluid lies.